Hello and welcome to another episode of Oceanus. Have you ever seen that large truck passing by your side carrying a huge metal container on top of it? Well, an average cargo ship in a single trip carries 15,000 of those containers. These colossal vessels play a crucial role in global trade, with transporting goods across oceans with incredible efficiency. Here are the top 5 container ships in the world. Number 5. MSC Gulson. Let's start by diving into the incredible world of the MSC Gulson. This modern marvel was created by Samsung Heavy Industries in South Korea in 2019. The MSC Gulson is 400 meters in length, as long as 4 football fields put together. Its width spans an incredible 61.5 meters, ensuring its imposing presence in the water. The ship has a maximum capacity of approximately 23,756 TEUs, where TEUs stand for 20-foot equivalent units or 20-foot containers. The Gulson can carry an immense load of cargo. But what makes the MSC Gulson even cooler is its front part. You see, they designed the front in a very clever way, and it's not just for looks. It actually helps the ship save fuel, which is like making it use less energy to move. And that's not all. The clever design also makes sure the ship stays steady even when the seas get all wavy. So it's like a double win. It's good for the environment and good for making the ship safe and smooth on the water. MSC Gulson is registered in Panama and operated by the Mediterranean Shipping Company based in Geneva, Switzerland, and the Netherlands. Number 4. OOCL Hong Kong. OOCL Hong Kong was the largest container ship ever built at the time it was delivered in 2017, and the third container ship to surpass the 20,000 TEU threshold. Only 2 months after this first ship broke the 20,000 TEU barrier, there were 6 ships built of G-class within the same year at the same shipyard. The OOCL Hong Kong has a capacity of 21,413 TEUs, which are arranged in 23 rows. This ship also carries 14.9 million liters of fuel with it. OOCL Hong Kong is powered by an inline 2-stroke 11-cylinder manned diesel and turbo G-type engine, which generates 83,000 horsepower at 79 RPMs. This engine allows for a top speed of 21 knots or 39 kilometers per hour, although her cruising speed is only 14.6 knots. It serves the route from East Asia to Northern Europe in a 77-day round trip. Number 3. CMA CGM Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry is a container ship that is operated by the French shipping company CMA CGM. As the lead ship of her class, she is the flagship of CMA CGM's fleet. Named after the French author and aviator, CMA CGM Antoine de Saint-Exupéry was ordered on April 1, 2015, as the first of 3 sister ships from Hanjin Heavy Industries and Construction, Philippines. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry measures 217,673 gross tons and is 400 meters long. with a beam of 59 meters and a draft of 16 meters. She is powered by the Winter-Hur gas and diesel model low-speed diesel engine with a power output of up to 98,650 horsepower that can propel her up to 22 knots or 40 kilometers per hour. This French vessel impresses with its distinctive look and massive 20,954 TEU capacity. What sets it apart is its LNG propulsion system, which significantly reduces emissions and contributes to a more sustainable shipping industry. Number 2. Ever Given, Evergreen Class. Ever Given is one of the largest container ships in the world. Ever Given is one of 13 container ships built with the Embari 20,000, which is a design developed by Embari Shipbuilding, and 11 of which have been chartered with names starting with Ever G, and a length overall of 399,094 meters. Ever Given is one of the longest ships in service. On the 23rd of March 2021, while traveling from Tanjung Pelepas in Malaysia to Rotterdam in the Netherlands, the ship ran grounded into the Suez Canal, blocking the channel. The incident took place due to the rapid winds blowing the ship from one direction, making Captain Christian Canthaval lose control and slam into the shallow side of the Panama Canal. It remained in place for 6 days before salvage crews freed her on 29th of March 2021. The vessel was impounded by the Egyptian government on 13th of April 2021 for refusing to pay a reported $916 million in fees demanded by the government, including $300 million in loss of reputation. The compensation claim was later cut down to $600 million. In early July of 2021, the ship was released by the Egyptian authorities following an agreement on compensation. Number 1. OOCL Scandinavia. The king of container ships, taking the crown at number 1 is the OOCL Scandinavia. This colossal vessel is part of the OOCL fleet and holds a remarkable capacity of around 21,413 TEUs. Built in 2017 by Samsung Heavy Industries, this is the largest container ship in the world, surpassing other ships like the Gulsan class and the Algeciras class. On 18th of October 2017, the other OOCL Japan suffered a mechanical failure while traversing the Suez Canal, causing the ship to run aground. She was quickly pulled free by tugs and was able to continue her maiden voyage to Europe. The same thing happened again less than a year later. On the 6th of June 2018, OOCL Japan again suffered a steering failure while in the Suez Canal. This time she struck the embankment, causing damage to a road. There are many other large container ships that help move the world every day. As of today, there are around 6,147 ships that can carry containers, of which 5,346 are fully cellular ships, meaning they only carry containers. Maybe one of those is carrying your delivery right now. Hope you liked this video. Watch our next video here, and we'll see you in the next one.